Watch this incredible moment as a determined lizard digs a hole using both its mouth and hands. A true display of nature's instinct and survival skills. Whether it's searching for food, building a shelter, or laying eggs, this little reptile shows us just how resourceful wildlife can be.
Look at this. This little lizard is on a mission. Digging a hole with its mouth and hands. Every movement is precise. Every scoop has a purpose. Whether it's to build a shelter, lay eggs, or escape the heat, nature always finds a way. It's amazing how even the smallest creatures work so hard to survive. Just another reminder that in the wild, nothing is ever wasted, not even a single grain of sand.